All right, YouTube, check it out, man. The family over there at Fort Worth Barber Supply, they sent your boy something. I'm excited about this package. Let's go ahead and open this thing up, man. Let's get it. All right, let's go ahead and open up this box. You know, I got to use the straight razor.
And our rep said, hey, look, it's ice, it's sap, it's Gemini, it's nitro.
All right, let's get it. Let's get it, boy. Let's go. All right, see, I know they be hooking your boy up with some stickers. Put that to the side. Let's put this right here. Yeah, y'all can see it right there. So they did send your boy the cocoa trimmer. You know, people have been asking for me to do a video on this. So we got the cocoa trimmer in, but that's not really what this video is about. This is gonna be for another video. So let's go ahead and move this to the side. All right, let's keep going through this box. Check it out. Check it out. Oh yeah. I don't know if y'all know this. Here is the JRL Onyx. It's the JRL Clipper. Fort Worth Barber Supply actually got it, I think, last week. And my boy Edward said, hey, Tank, if you like, we can send this to you so you can get some content with it. So you know your boy be trying to come out with content quick. So I said, you know what, send that thing my way. So this is the box. Not sure if this is the actual complete box, but once again, y'all check that out, man. Onyx SF 2020 CB, professional cordless hair clipper. Let's look at some of this stuff right here. Patented reset IQ charge technology, expands battery life. Don't know what that means, but hey, it's on here for a reason. Advanced lever locking feature, maintains lever secure for extended use. Patented cool blade technology, blade stays ultra cool and sharp after extended use. 5 hours of battery life, so that's a lot, man. 5 hours, that's a lot of time. Equipped with the JRL Fade Precision Blade, helps get the fresh fade look. Patented smart clip technology featuring constant speed motor, won't drag or stall. LED display indicates remaining battery time, low noise. So yeah, man, that's basically all we need to know. Cool blade technology, lithium ion battery, 5 hour runtime, 2.5 hour charge time, lever locking feature, high grade stainless steel stationary blade, 7,500 RPMs. Low noise, once again, comes with a charging dock, cleaning brush. But let's go ahead and let's open this. We talking too much. Let's go ahead and open this thing up, man. Let's go. All right, so we got this right here, the manual that, you know, your boy never uses. Can't throw it though, because I gotta send it back, so I can't throw it, but let's go ahead and open up this box. Now, this box looks like it's been through some stuff, but it's all good. Nonetheless, we still gonna unbox this and see what comes all in this. But check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Here is the clipper. Let's go. The JRL Onyx. Got the fade blade on there, or whatever they call it. I don't even know what they call it. But it says fade on there, so it's the fade blade. We got a nice click lever. The click lever feels good. Let's go ahead and turn this on real quick. Super quiet. Like, I don't even know if y'all can hear it on the microphone. I hear that? I got it right up to the mic right now. But yeah, super quiet clipper. Looks good, man. I'm really liking that matte black, really liking that black color on it. But let's go ahead and put this down real quick. So once again, like I said earlier, it does come with a charging dock. Y'all check out the charging dock right here. Let's go ahead and put this down. Let's open up this and see what else comes in here. All right. So we do got some guards, the JRL guards. I'm gonna be honest, I've never used these guards, but I may use them, who knows, may use them for this video. But we got some guards, screwdriver, oil, blade setter, and then we do have the charger right here. But nonetheless, man, that's basically what comes in this box. Once again, here is the JRL Onyx. Check it out, man. JRL Onyx. Check that out. But with that being said, y'all know what it is, man. Your boy is gonna put this to use, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about it. Let's get it. All right, man, we finna take this JRL right here. We're finna chop down this fro, man. We're gonna see how this works on boat. Let's get it.
I'm so grateful for them. And to this day, I love them all. And like I said,
So he's got a lot of hair, as y'all can see. The clipper's working good though. It's not clogging up, but this is a lot of hair. This is like an extreme bulk removal. So, you know, I'm gonna take my time. I don't wanna snag them up or anything. But as y'all can see, it's cutting through that hair, really no issue at all. I mean, I am taking my time just to make sure it doesn't snag, doesn't pull, but I haven't felt it do it yet. And like I said, this is an extreme bulk removal right here.
Nice. She is absolutely one of my favorites. We're very close today. We kept in touch through
Yeah, bro, you have a lot of hair. All right, so now I'm gonna hit the top with a number 3 guard against the grain, take it all down. Really just trying to even it out with the sides. We're gonna give them a taper. So let's go ahead and knock this down. But as y'all can see, man, still same thing as earlier. Clipper working, man, it's working. Now I'm taking my 1.5 guard, just coming with the grain, trying to clean up any stray hairs. As y'all can see, clipper's working good, eating through his hair. All right, now we're gonna go and start blending. So we did a 1.5 down with the grain. We did about a 3 on the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my number 2 guard open first with the new JRL Onyx. And I'm just gonna debulk all this area right here with my 2 guard open. Just trying to blend into the length that he already has. Brush, 1.5 guard open. And I'm also paying attention to hear the clipper cut. We got number 6 on the new JRLs. We're gonna take top down, give them a mid-fade. Mid-fade. Let's get it.
Send you a picture of
So as y'all can see, man, this clipper, this new JRL, this thing eats. Y'all saw me do a haircut earlier with it. Y'all see how it debulks, blends pretty good. We still gonna work with it though. Get a few more cuts with it, and then I'm gonna let y'all know for sure what I think about it.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
All right, now I'm gonna close my clipper. I'm gonna bald out with them just so y'all can see how they bald. I know a lot of people don't bald out with their clipper, but just so y'all can see how these things work. And as y'all can see, same thing with debulking the top, man. This thing just eats through the hair, gets it down really smooth, really quickly. I ain't got no complaints yet. We gonna see. heading up this bottom line. I'm going in with my clipper halfway open. And then I'm gonna just close my lever one notch and then close it all the way to try to get this line completely blended out. Alright guys, as y'all seen in the video, your boy was putting to use the new JRL 2020C Onyx, whatever you want to call it. They're calling it the Onyx, so for the sake of this video, we're going to refer to this new clipper as the JRL Onyx. But check it out, man. Once again, let's take a look at this clipper. So as you can see, we do have a fade blade on there. Nice blade, supposed to stay cool longer with the material that they put on the blade. I really didn't have an issue with it heating up when I was using it. But off the jump, man, let's just keep looking at this clipper. Like I said, we do got the fade blade on there. Ergonomically, it's real comparable to the older model of the 2020C. We do have a click lever on there. Different style lever, but still nonetheless, it is a click lever. We do got the charging port down here. Turn it on for y'all. We have the, I don't know if y'all can see that due to the lighting, but we do have an LED screen. It says I got 3 hours of runtime left. We got 2 speeds on this clipper, so if you flip this switch up one time, you're cutting at about 6,000 RPMs. You flip it up a notch, you got about 7,500 RPMs. So that's pretty dope. Same thing as the older clipper. And just for reference, I did bring, this is the older clipper from JRL, the Fresh Fade 2020C. This is the Onyx version, as y'all can see. So side by side, they look really similar. Only difference here is, as you can see, this one came with like a chrome click lever. This one has an all black click lever. But other than that, they do look pretty similar. Small little details are different, but nothing like too major. If you pay attention, I don't know if y'all can tell on the video, but let me see if I can fit it in the screen for y'all. But I don't know if y'all can tell on the video, you probably can't, but this clipper is slightly shorter. And I say slightly, it's like a smidget, you know what I'm saying? Like just a little bit. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the older JRL for y'all so y'all can hear the motor on this one. So y'all can see it's dying, but that's on the highest speed. And then here is the newer Onyx. So the motor on the Onyx is quieter. People were asking me about the lever. How does the lever stretch? You know, is it just a half? Is it a 1? It's, according to the website, it's 3.5 millimeters. So that's about a little more than a 1. But I wouldn't say it's a 1. You know, it's like right below a 1 in my opinion, you know what I'm saying? I'm not saying I'm right, but in my opinion, it's like right below a 1, because if I went over the top with a 1 and then opened this lever all the way, this would still be slightly shorter. So another thing I want to touch on about this clipper is the motor. So supposedly when you're going through thicker hair, the motor is supposed to speed up, kind of like the Instincts. You know, the Instincts, when you hit heavier or when you hit bulkier hair, the motor speeds up. So that's basically what this one is supposed to do in a sense. It's supposed to be stronger, that way it doesn't bog down or none of that. And when I was using this clipper today, man, y'all saw me debulk a huge head of hair, and I had no issue debulking. I mean, yes, I was going a little slower just because I wanted to be careful, right? But it did go through that hair easy, did debulk super easy. So this clipper, man, it debulked really well. And then when it came to fading, I like the way this clipper fades. Like, I was actually really impressed with this clipper, and that's saying a lot, you know what I'm saying? Like, I really did enjoy using this clipper. Once again, looks really nice. Looks very similar to the old one. Like I said, it's maybe slightly smaller, maybe a little thinner. The weight on it feels about the same, but I'm liking this blade, liking the way it cuts. You know, it's reminding me of like a DLC blade, but it is like a fusion blade in my opinion, kind of like the Vapor blade from Gamma and Stylecraft, because it's really thin like a fade blade, but it still has grooves on it like a taper blade. But it's real similar to the old fade blade. So I'm assuming it's the same blade. Only difference is this one is made from like a DLC or a graphite. Not sure exactly what the blade is made from, but it is supposed to keep cool longer also. I want to make sure I put that out there. But with that being said, man, I really enjoyed using this clipper today, whether I was removing bulk, whether I was blending, whether I was tapering. This clipper works really good, man. I'm not gonna lie. It's probably one of the top releases of the year in terms of just overall clipper use. You know, I've said this before about the original JRL, that this is a super dope clipper, and I will say the same thing about the new Onyx. Super dope clipper, really enjoyed using it. Feels good in the hand. Ergonomically, it's not too different from the older version, but it's still a good ergonomic tool. You do get about 5 hours of runtime out of this. So I know earlier when I turned it on, it said 4 hours, but you gotta think about it. So it was running and it said 4 hours, and then after I used it a little bit, it said 3 hours. So the way I'm thinking of it is I still had like 4 hours and, you know, 30 minutes of runtime. So it's just gonna say 4 hours. It's not gonna say 4 hours and 30 minutes. But that's why I believe it said 4 hours when I first cut this on. This clipper did come with a charging dock, as y'all can see. I don't know if y'all can see the charging dock right there. Well, here's the dock without the clipper in it. And it does have this button right here. So this button right here is supposed to be like a battery reset type thing. Not sure what exactly that means, but I think it's supposed to keep basically your battery running longer, so the battery doesn't die over time. You know, sometimes we buy tools and over time they don't hold charge. So I'm assuming that's what that's gonna be, not 100% sure. If you do know, let me know down in the comments, because I'm not really sure. But as y'all can see, it does come with a charging dock, so I think that's pretty dope, because my original Fresh Fade 2020C did not come with a charging dock. So this one does come with a charging dock, so that's pretty dope. And as y'all saw earlier in the video, it did come with a set of guards, but honestly, I didn't even use those guards. I personally like using my Babyliss premium guards, so that's what I used. Now, if you want to get this clipper, it's on pre-order right now at fwbarbersupply.com. Fort Worth Barber Supply has it on sale right now for pre-order. I believe the price is $194.99. Not 100% sure, but make sure to check that out if you want to get this clipper. And if you're in the market for a new clipper, if you want to try something new and you haven't tried the JRLs, or even if you just want to buy a new tool, I would recommend this. I'm not gonna lie to y'all guys. This is a good tool. I enjoyed using it. I want to keep it, but Edward told me I can't keep this one. I can't keep this one per se, but I'm gonna have to get me one, man. I wish I can keep this one, but I can't. But honestly, man, this thing works really good. But yeah, man, like I said, Fort Worth Barber Supply or fwbarbersupply.com, $194.99, or you can go to the JRL website and get it. I don't know what the price is there. I know it's on pre-order also. But yeah, man, that's basically all I gotta say about this clipper. Solid tool, great for debulking, great for fading, great for blending, great for tapering, great for everything. Well-rounded tool right here. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.